In my personal opinion, XPlanar automation or automation with XPlanar is more of a digitalization of mechanics. Why digitalization of mechanics? Because it makes things possible to modify, improvise, expand, adapt, reduce more quickly in order to have maximum flexibility with this system. Of course, certain basic requirements are necessary for achieving this, or a foundation with regard to the engineering and programming of the system. But from a mechanical point of view, as can be seen in this system, this is not an issue. We support the system in a scalable way, whether with the XPlanar table that we developed for this purpose and/or with the cells that you see in the background. These project beyond the XPlanar and are thus flexibly adaptable to the XPlanar table. Why digitization of the mechanics? This also means that the movers operate where the workpiece carrier is located on the XPlanar tiles. In principle, these take over many things, such as the stoppers, the indexing stations, and thus of course also wiring tasks, sensors, and therefore also the control cabinet. So everything is reduced by relying purely on the XPlanar in the movement. In addition, you can add or reduce X stations.